That's fine. That one's out of date tags, things like that.
Okay.
Yeah, all good shit.
All right.
Yeah. Thank you for asking, though.
What are you going to do with the information? You're going to disseminate it?
Yeah, it goes all over YouTube, TikTok tomorrow. Since you decided to speak with me, you'll be featured, but you know.
I don't want to be featured.
You don't have that choice in public, and you did make the effort to speak with me. So yeah, it all gets published. But it'll just be on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Yeah, that's all. Nothing big. Make sure it still works. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, that's all. You have a good day.